Are you new to Fusion and not sure where to begin? Good news, the assistant can walk you through the entire process using plain language and simple prompts. To show you how it works, I'm going to use one of the sample prompts right from the starter menu, so no need to build something from scratch. This gives you a solid starting point. From here, I simply answer a series of questions, and the assistant uses my answers to fill out everything it needs to create a setup. Things like what do I want to call it, what kind of stock I'm working with, where I want my WCS position, and which bodies to use. Once it's done, it's always worth taking a moment to check over everything and make sure it's correct. In this case, the WCS ended up in the incorrect place, so I just asked the assistant to adjust it and it moves it right where it needs to be. Next, the assistant actually prompts me to ask if I want to add any future operations. We'll start with something simple, such as a standard face toolpath. I then ask it to look through my tool library and come back with a few suggested tools I can use. And just like that, I can then select the right tool and a toolpath is created, ready for me to fine tune so it's exactly right for my machine.